Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make giant chocolate chip cookies. To start, ensure your butter is cold and you plan to chill your dough. This prevents excessive spreading. For the best texture and flavor, combine both brown and granulated sugar. Don't forget to use high-quality chocolate chunks or discs, as they melt wonderfully and create those desirable pools of chocolate in your finished cookies. Now let's get mixing. Cream your cold butter with the sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy, which incorporates air for a softer cookie. Then, add your eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, scoop generous portions of dough, about 1/4 cup each, onto your baking sheet, leaving plenty of space between them. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your dough balls on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake for 12 to 15 minutes. You're looking for cookies with golden edges and centers that still appear slightly soft. Once out of the oven, resist the urge to move them immediately. Let them cool on the baking sheet for 10 minutes to set properly. For an extra touch, sprinkle a pinch of flaky sea salt over your warm cookies right after they come out of the oven. It really enhances the chocolate flavor. Once completely cooled, store your delicious giant cookies in an airtight container to maintain their freshness for several days. And hey, if you love reading while enjoying your treats, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.